Hey guys, Andy here, and today I'm going to teach you how to fix the black screen issue with the display capture in OBS Studios. This is actually an update to a previous tutorial that I did on how to fix the black screen issue with the window capture, but I want to show you how to fix the display capture as well. With my previous tutorial, it allows you to fix the window capture, so you can see here, Premiere Pro works just fine, but I can only show you the top of everything. I can't show you any menus or any other pop-ups or anything like that. So for that, we're going to need the display capture. But as you can see, it's a black screen. So we're going to go to our desktop. We're going to right-click and go to Display Settings. Then we're going to scroll down and go to Graphics Settings. And from there, we'll keep it at Classic App. We'll go to Browse. Then we're going to go to where OBS Studio is located, which for me is here. We're going to select the program. Then we're going to go to Add. Then from here, we'll go to Options. Then we're going to select Power Saving. Then we're going to go to Save. We're going to close out of here. And then for this change to take effect, we have to restart OBS Studios. So keep in mind the display capture is on, but it's showing the black screen right now. Shut it down. Then we're going to restart. And looky there, we got the display capture all on and everything. And it's just that easy. So yeah, that's how you can fix the black screen issue with the display capture in OBS Studios. If you like this tutorial, be sure to give a like and subscribe for more tutorials. And if you have a question about OBS Studios or Adobe Premiere Pro, be sure to leave it in the comments down below and your question could be the next tutorial. This is Andy from Adam Media, signing off for now. And as always, we'll see you next time. Bye guys.